How to link your Twitch account to your Marvel Rivals account. So first, you just simply need to click on your profile icon here at the top right and go to Drops and Rewards. Once you're there, go to All Campaigns. Then scroll down till you see the Marvel Rivals right here. Once you're there, click on Connect right there. It'll bring you to the page right here where you need to log in with your account. So just pick what you're using or platform you're using. So I'm using Steam, so I'm just going to log in with my Steam account. So I'm now logged in. What you need to do next is scroll down. As you can see, you can now do the step 2 right here, which is connect your Twitch account. So click on login and click on connect. Then click on confirm and just simply wait for it. Now, once you're here, just click on authorize. And as you can see, binding is successful. And if you go down here on Twitch again and click on refresh right here, as you can see, my Marvel Rivals account is now connected to my Twitch account. And that's basically it.